Welcome along to your latest update for Scotland from the Met Office. We are going to see some wet weather shimmying in during the course of Thursday. Outbreaks of rain likely on the west coast especially. A few showers here during the evening, but that rain is going to pep up as we go through the night, and if anything could turn a bit heavy, especially through the early hours along the west coast. For many central and eastern parts it will be a dry night just with increasing cloud, and quite a warm night as well. Temperatures mainly holding up in the teens, the mid-teens through the central belt. On to the details for Thursday, and it will be quite a grey and wet start. Maybe a bright start across the east coast, but pretty quickly the rain will move in here and through the central belt as well. Likely to see some rain at the open for the start of play at Troon. As we go through the rest of the day, well, I'm reasonably hopeful through the central belt and particularly the east coast. The rain should peter out, and we should see some brighter skies developing across Aberdeenshire, maybe Caithness, as well as the Murray Firth, and some brighter skies also likely across Lothian and the borders. Generally though, quite a lot of cloud, rain at times persisting across the Highlands and generally on the west coast, although the far northwest, the Western Isles may actually cheer up a little bit through the afternoon. Temperatures here 15, maybe 16 degrees. Elsewhere quite warm air. It's going to be quite a mild start, so temperatures with a bit of brightness could easily get up to maybe 20 degrees Celsius. As we go through Thursday evening, staying pretty dull and damp, I suspect, across the west. We could see a few heavy showers just coming up across the far south. They'll be somewhat hit and miss and should scoot away reasonably quickly. Then into Friday, a drier day on the west coast, should be a little brighter. Generally, actually, a brighter day with a bit more in the way of hazy sunshine around. Later on, we'll see the rain returning to the Western Isles. But for many, much of Friday it will be dry. The wind's coming up from the south, so again, quite warm. If anything, temperatures getting a little above average for the time of year with a bit of sunshine, 21, 22, maybe the Murray coastline getting up to 23 degrees Celsius. So some fine weather around on Friday before we see things turning cooler and a bit more mixed as we head into the weekend. For a wider UK weather forecast, check out our other YouTube channels.